Hello, does your computer have this problem? Here is the solution. This problem will interrupt the normal system boot functionality. To perform a normal boot, press the power button and hold for a few seconds. It will help the system to get into the repair mode. Sometimes you may need to press the power button 2 or 3 times. Once you see the message like this, click on the Advanced options. And now find the Startup settings. Now press the Restart icon, and you will see the numbers with some startup recovery settings. Choose the number 7, Disable Drive Signature Enforcement. To select the number, press the F7 key on the keyboard. Now check the process. This will help to get into normal computer startup.